Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the XZL brand professional wireless microphones with UHF wireless capability. So we're going to open it up, show you all the parts and pieces, let you know how it works, demonstrate it, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So let's get to it.
All right, getting this open. As you'll see, it comes with a very nice box. If I can get it out here. There we go. Not box, carrying container. Real nice case here. And of course your instructions, which I highly recommend you check out. They're really good looking microphones, quite frankly. Very clear and simple. You're going to power them up down here. You'll have your connection stuff here. Let's pull all that out so you can see what's in there. Windscreen covers, pop filters, whatever you want to call them. One for each. Now this piece is really important. This is going to be battery powered, and that's important to know as well. That you are going to need, actually you're just going to need to rip that out, and I believe that this should be rechargeable, but I'm not quite certain how it would recharge. It looks like a pretty big battery, not your standard. So let me do that research real quick. So sometimes you literally just need to turn things over to realize that, hey, there you are, your USB-C charging point. So you're going to have your on and off switch right here. So just remember that you will need to get this thing charged up. There is also that little piece of plastic that was going to be there that needed to be removed, that insulating film. So charge that up, and then of course charge this up, and then we'll go ahead and get things moving. So in order to charge this, you'll see again you have a note about removing. So you're just going to twist and unscrew and pull out your little film here, and then you'll be able to put that back in, and then tighten. And if you just hold it down, you'll see that you do have some juice, but I'm going to get it charged up anyway. Now this should be relatively plug and play, so it should be set up to just tune right into to the receiver that we are already charging. So once you get your receiver, what you will need to do is find yourself some sort of amp or speaker or something like that to plug this into. So we're just going to hold this back down, turn it off, and get it charged up. But remember that this does not come with its own speaker, so you will need to have something. And in the event that you are looking for an anti-slip solution, that's what these little rings are for, so that you can kind of grip and hold and all that stuff. But I won't be using those, so we'll go ahead and charge up. Okay, when charging, you will see that it will kind of just light up in red. Both items will be lighting up in red, and so give it some time to charge up. All right, so I've got a speaker here I'm going to turn on, and we're just going to, nope, that's not going to fit, so not that one. So as part of the contents, you do get two of these. You have your USB-C charger, which will charge both items at once, and of course you have your adjustable pin here that will allow me to get that line in. So let's try this again. All right, I had to change speakers because this one was not connecting, but this one, as you can tell, does connect. And so we're just going to give you an idea as I speak of what the sound is like. I'm going to walk away and continue to talk, and that way you have a good feel for what the sound is. It sounds like it's still connecting, and I believe it's doing a good job. So one thing I wish it did have was a microphone volume that you could control here, but you'd have to control it on the speaker itself, which isn't the worst thing in the world. But again, this is a small little speaker, so I'm gonna turn this off now and start talking normal and just unplug it. But the beauty here is that it's very portable. So again, I don't need a lot of cords. It's a cordless situation. I can just bring a little speaker, bring a couple microphones, and be set up however I want. So really nice system overall. Totally worth buying if you're interested in doing anything with a microphone. These are really good looking and quite effective. So easy pairing, easy setup, and good quality sound. So hopefully this review helped, and thank you for watching.